Okay, thanks for watching. In this video, we will be integrating sin of ln x dx. This looks very difficult, right? But this looks tough in the x world. When we will take this in a new world, it will be so much easier. So let's see how we can do that. We are going to substitute ln of x with u. So now if we differentiate both sides with respect to x, then we will get du equal to 1 over x dx. And now we want to isolate this dx, so dx equal to x times du. And now we want to write this x in terms of u. So let's see how we can do that. From here, if we raise both sides by e, then e to the u equal to e to the ln of x. And now here e and ln will cancel out, so x is equal to e to the u. So now here instead of x we can write dx equal to e to the u du. So now we are ready to take this integral into the u world. So let's see, this is equal to integral of sin of, now ln of x is u, so sin of u times, and dx is e to the u du. So this is e to the u du. Now we will do it with integration by parts. So suppose this is equal to I. Now here is our di setup for integration by parts. We are going to differentiate sin of u and integrate e to the u. And don't forget these signs, plus, minus, plus. And now integral of e to the u, this will never change, and derivatives of sin of u is cosine of u, and derivatives of cosine of u is negative sine of u. So now first part of our answer is the product of the first diagonal. So this is equal to e to the u times sine of u, and the second part is product of the second diagonal. So this is negative e to the u times cosine of u, and the last part is still an integral. So this is negative integral of sine of u times e to the u, sine of u times e to the u du. And see, this thing is right here. So instead of this thing, this whole thing, we can write I, right? And now if we add I on right hand side and left hand side, so here we will have 2y equal to e to the u times sine of u minus e to the u times cosine of u. And now if we divide both sides by 2, so I is equal to half e to the u times sine of u minus half e to the u times cosine of u. But that's the answer for the integral in e world. Now we need to take this answer in the x world. So let's see, half e to the u, this is equal to x, so e to the u equal to x, and sine of u and u equal to ln of x. So this is sine of ln of x minus, now again half e to the u is again x, and this is cosine of u is again ln of x, and never forget the constant. So that's it guys, thanks a lot for watching.